Hey, so let me show you a really small project which works wonders for the AI people. You can take a look at this, right? This is an LM35 sensor and it's connected to an Arduino. This is the exact sensor. Now let me show you what's it exactly doing. It's actually taking up the temperature, that is what the sensor's for, and it's predicting the moisture in the air. Now, this is happening because of a particular AI model that's been loaded into it. Now, I'll get into the specifics later, but let's look at a demo. So the temperature is normal right now. It's running around 27 degrees. Now see what happens as soon as I do this. See, it's supposed to heat up, right? Look there. And the moisture's changed. Now it's gonna gradually move to normal. See, it's reached 30. Now it's gradually gonna reach back to 27. Let's do another try. Now this time around I'm gonna really heat the sensor. Now see, it went negative. It really went negative because the sensor is so heated up. Now it's coming back to positive, but the temperature's again really high. So it's gonna take some time for it to adjust and start predicting moisture as normal again. What's happening here is that LM35 sensor, when it's connected to the Arduino board, it's programmed to take input from the A0 port. It is supposed to predict the temperature and then, using the temperature, the humidity in a particular manner. And that's what you can see on the serial monitor. Okay, so as soon as I took the light too close to the temperature sensor, that is the LM35, it actually heated up and started predicting a drop in humidity, as it was supposed to do, as the AI model that was ingrained into it instructed it to do.